What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an important feature on your iPhone, stolen device protection. Should you turn it on? Let's talk about the pros and cons. First off, let's understand what stolen device protection actually does. This feature, also known as activation lock, prevents anyone from being able to erase or reactivate your iPhone without your Apple ID password, even if it's stolen. It's a built-in security measure that ensures your device stays yours. It helps protect your personal data from falling into the wrong hands, making it harder for thieves to access or sell your phone. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Peace of mind. You won't have to worry about your device being used by someone else. Track your device. If it's lost or stolen, you can use Find My Phone to track it and even remotely lock or erase it. Deter thieves. Activation lock makes it difficult for thieves to resell your device, as they can't unlock it. Now, I'm talking about the cons of the SDP feature. There are a few things to consider before turning it on. Forgotten Apple ID. If you forget your Apple ID password, you might be locked out of your phone. Selling or giving away. When you're selling or giving away your iPhone, you'll need to make sure you turn off activation lock. It can be a bit of a hassle if you don't know the steps. So, should you turn it on? If you care about security and keeping your personal data safe, then yes, absolutely. It's a simple feature that adds a great layer of protection. However, just be aware of the potential hassle when you need to unlock it for legitimate reasons. Here's the complete steps to enable stolen device protection. Go to Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll to Face ID and Passcode. Next, enter your passcode to access next screen. On this setting, you have to scroll the screen to tap on Stolen Device Protection. Now turn the toggle green next to Stolen Device Protection. To save the settings, you have to authorize your Face ID. Keep in mind that your Face ID must be added on a specific device to enable Stolen Device Protection. To learn more about adding Face ID, please watch the video I provided above. So this all about Stolen Device Protection. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe and secure with your iPhone.